Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix League of Legends Reconnect bug. So here are the processes. First, what you can do is to repair your game. So when you run into issues launching the game properly, consider utilizing the built-in tool of verifying integrity of game files in case some of your game files are missing or corrupted. So here's how to do it. First, what you can do is to open your game launcher and then click onto the gear icon located on the upper right corner to open the settings. Then under the General tab, click the Initiate Full Repair. And then after that, just click yes to initiate a full repair. So this will take a while to complete. So after the repair, play League of Legends and check if your problem persists. Next, what you can do is to run compatibility troubleshooter. So when you are getting stuck at the Reconnect loop, it could be caused by the compatibility issues. Using the troubleshooter may help you fix the issue immediately. So here are the processes. First, you need to go and open your game's installation folder. So it is this one, and then find the League of Legends.exe. Just make sure to right click it and then select properties. Select the compatibility tab, check the box next to run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8. Then select run compatibility troubleshooter, then click try recommended settings, and lastly click the test program. So then you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to finish the troubleshooting process. When it's complete, try to launch your game to test if your issue has been solved. Next, what you can do is to change your DNS server address. There are circumstances where the standard DNS your ISP gives you not cannot always be within your expectations, but changing the DNS settings, especially configuring Google public DNS addresses, can help you fix connectivity issues. So here's how to do it. So you can pause this video and follow these steps at your own time. You can go ahead and read this and follow at your own time. So just pause this video for a while. Next, what you can do is to download and install Windows Update. So, to do that, our Windows updates come with bug fixes and bring new features. So, to take advantage of this, you should check if there are any updates available. So, here's how you can do it. First, in the box type in check for updates and then click check for updates from the results. So then click on the check for updates tab if there are any updates available. It will automatically start to download and install it. So simply just wait for it to complete and you should be asked to restart your computer. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.